Hey guys, it's me Danyelle back with another YouTube video. You know, more consistent uploads in 2020. I was serious about that. To my subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for rocking with me into the year 2020. To those of you guys who are new to my channel, thank you so much for, clicking on that little thumbnail or whatever. I hope you guys decide to join this little YouTube family we got going on right now. So click that subscribe button. So today's video is going to be about what I think could possibly very much be the must-have lock accessory for us locked people, and also it definitely should work for naturals too, but obviously I have locks now, so this one's for y'all. So in today's video we will be talking about the Loc Soc. I picked up this bad boy at the Harlem Naturals hair salon, which is where your girl gets her retwist now. As you can see, this little fresh baby I got going on. So you can view that video like here or here where I talk about my experience or whatever. So this is the highlight of this video, this Loc Soc, which honestly is the most valuable lock accessory I have at the moment, and I'm very excited to share with you guys. So via their website, it says that the Loc Soc is pretty much the must-have accessory for your locks. I quote, the 100 reasons, okay, not 100, it's definitely like 9. The 9 reasons to use a Loc Soc accessory is 1, to protect your hair from dust and lint, to make a fashion statement, to protect your hair from the elements, comfort and protection while sleeping, stylish colors and prints, perfect for those bad hair days, helps control perspiration, helps to train your locks to go in one direction, and 9, to accessorize your clothing. So I can definitely say that it definitely helps protect your hair from the elements, and it helps keep it in one place while you're sleeping. It definitely helps wiggle your sweat and stuff. But aside from all the stylish fashion statement stuff, I can't relate personally because I'm not wearing this outside. While they say you can, I'm not, because I don't know if you can see, for one, this isn't a very flattering color anymore. Definitely not since it's been stained by my sleep mask or something. So yeah, I'm not wearing this outside. I primarily wear this to go to bed or under a head wrap or a hat. So this is so handy. I definitely recommend you have this in your kit. So I got mine at the salon for $25, which is honestly ridiculous, but I don't know any better, because if you go onto their online store, it costs you $12. So it's definitely worth picking up, and they have all these different colors and patterns. If you decided, hey, I actually do want to wear this outside, you totally could. Now, when I got this, it did come with the card. However, I lost that card because I didn't think I was going to make a video about it. I really should just learn to keep everything. I usually do. But on the card showed all the different styles you can do with it. So you can wear it as a scarf, as a headband, as a turban, as a do-rag, as a beanie. There's so many different styles you can do. I'm sure that there's a YouTube video out there, and probably once I get more acquainted with mine, and if I ever purchase a new one, I'll probably make a video about the styles that I've learned how to do, because I think that would be cool. So as I said, I primarily wear mine to go to bed or under my head wraps or hats. So that's what I'm going to show you guys right now. So the Loc Soc, I think this is specifically the tube. So it has the main opening at the front, which has this headband type thing at the front, which is how you know this is the top. And then at the bottom, it's not closed. It has this open end, which is what allows you to do all your styles. And it definitely comes in handy if you have really long locks, because obviously you don't want that bunched up in this one bonnet, because it can cause your joints to fall off in your sleep or out and about. So the first style I'm gonna do is if I am trying to go outside real quick and I need to put on my hat. It gotta be a young Yankees cap, rep New York. So I'm gonna take this down. I'm gonna put it in a low bun. All right, so now taking my Loc Soc, I'm gonna grab it from the top, which is the front opening end, and I'm gonna kind of scrunch it to where I can gather the bottom as well. This is also how you would do your headband, but I'll also show you that later as well. So now I'm gonna take it like this and just put it around so it can gather around my neck. Great. Now I'm gonna take that bottom end, the open part, grab that, and now pull it over and around to be like a headband. So yeah, this would honestly be how you would wear like your headband, because hair can wick away that sweat and also keep your hair back. So this is a style you can also do. It's like a simple headband. So now I'm going to grab that bottom end, pull it down, push this up a little bit, and now I can wear my hat. So obviously, like, you need a little finessing to kind of like tuck this up into your cap so that it doesn't show. But also, if that's something you don't mind, then perfect. But I do a little finessing to kind of tuck it so this isn't super obvious. Sometimes I'll even take this from the back and put it up so it's actually on top of my bun, and I could put it right back in my cap. But I need my mirror for that. But that's one style wear. And why I do like to protect my hair from my cap is because this is a cotton, and also with most of my head wraps, they are cotton. And as we know, like, that does like take away some of the natural oils in our natural hair, and it becomes dry and like could possibly like rub and break off eventually. And I know I'm someone who's like very, very prone to like getting frizzy hair. So I try to avoid that by having something protecting my hair from that. So now for the number way I wear this is to go to bed. So I usually have my hair out when I'm going to bed. And I honestly repeat the same step. So grabbing it from the top, scrunching it up, putting it in my headband. Oh, actually, I think one of the ways on the car you could wear this is as a scarf, like this. Like, it's so versatile, which is so interesting. So grabbing it, putting it back in the headband. Awesome. Now, holding it here, pulling it down. And as you can see, because of that opened end, it goes right around my locks. And that's it. This is how I wear it to sleep. Like, it's so easy. Now, I've had this for a little over a month. And I just realized that it is actually a little loose around here. So it is tending to slip off a little bit as I sleep. But this is just after like a month's use. So maybe that's something you might want to factor in as you're wearing it. That over time it will maybe get a little loose around like the elastic band and slide off, but it's still not a major concern because it's still protecting my hair. It doesn't come off. It doesn't come completely off. Another way you can wear this is by taking the open end, grabbing your hair, pushing your hair up a little bit to grab the bottom portion of your open end, tucking the front part into that, and just tucking it in. See? That creates kind of like a little beanie. Honestly, that's the key to all these styles with your Loc Soc, is kind of just tucking the ends in or tucking it in some place and pulling it down. Like, I think that's how you make the do-rag. But again, I lost that damn color. But, you know, I will figure out these styles to make a new video for it. But that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Make sure you guys pick up a Loc Soc for $12 on their website. And like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social media. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.